Ito ang ano guys, oh. Fresh. Oh, thank you. Chicken. Chicken wings. Oh, hot. Super hot ang. Masarap guys, pero super hot naman. Oh. My God. What's that? That's the fish sauce. There is no hi honey. Thank you. So that's the extra meat na? Huh?
What?
That's the extra meat?
That's the noodle.
We are first time customer guys dito sa restaurant na to. Oh. Birthday kasi niya guys. Oh my God. I need the pork. Can you get the pork? Hot. Chili sauce. No fish sauce.
That's the real sauce. The soy sauce.
I want the fish sauce. I'm gonna ask them. Yan guys, oh, ilagay ito sa ano. Honey, excuse me. Excuse me.
You're on the phone now.
I know. Yan guys, oh, Brussels sprout. Honey, do you have fish fish sauce.
Yeah, fish sauce.
Yeah, thank you. So the only thing I know is the fish sauce.
I tell you, your manager there, you call, I don't answer the phone, you can send my email. You know my email? You don't know my email?
Dạ cái thứ hai này nó khó nó lấy cái 2 bịch chả cá rồi hả?
Why you manager?
Dạ thấy thấy cái đơn hàng là có 2 bịch chả cá kìa, kiểm tra cái gửi lại.
Thank you.
No way. You always know my email. Why you don't know? Huh? Who are you?
Yan ang panimpla guys. Timplahan mo kasi dito. Ano ba yan? Let's go guys. Let's go eat.